Hi, today we're going to use the Phillips Saeco coffee oil remover tablets for the Phillips 3100 automatic coffee machine. This machine is very similar to some of the other Saeco models, and the process is very similar, and we'll get to it. So first thing you want to do is make sure you have a full tank of water. Clean out your drip tray. Rinse down your brew group. Place a container under the spout. Now you're going to set your aroma to pre-ground coffee. Take your coffee oil remover tablet and drop it in where you put the pre-ground coffee. And hit the coffee button. And once your meter hits halfway, we're going to turn off the coffee machine with the switch on the back. That's about right. Now we're going to wait 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now, so we'll switch the machine on at the back. And turn the power on. We'll let it complete its rinse cycle. Now we'll shut the machine off at the back again. And now you'll dump your tray if needed. I've already dumped it. And now we'll dump this tray and rinse the brew group again. I won't have enough hands to show that on camera, but I'm going to basically just take out this tray, rinse it, open the brew group again, rinse that, and just put that back in. So I've rinsed out the drip tray and the brew group, and I put them both back in now. So now I'll turn it on the back switch again. Press power. Let it do its rinse. I'll set the aroma to pre-ground, hit coffee. dump it and do that one more time. And then you're done and it's ready to use.